Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple links on Instagram. Now Instagram recently updated, you can add up to 5 links here. So for this, first of all, just open up the Instagram application in your mobile and then click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner and then tap on this edit profile right here. And as long as you updated your Instagram app in the link section, you could add multiple different links, not just one. So the first thing you got to do is you got to jump over here and you need to add an external link. This could be a YouTube video, it could be a website, basically anywhere outside of Instagram. I'm gonna click here. Now here you could type in a URL. So this could be a website again or YouTube video, and then you could also give it a title, and then you have to tap on this check icon in the top right corner. So here is one link that you have added, but you could now add another one too. Just click on it again and again you have to enter the link. If you want to give the title, it's good. If you don't want to, just click on this check icon and you are good to go. So that's how you can add up to 5 links into your Instagram profile. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.